Hi, hello, BGR tutorials, AI technologies, and this tutorial. So many software videos and networking videos. Please subscribe our BGR tutorial point videos, share and like and comment. Thank you. Hi, welcome to back my channel BGR tutorial point. Today topic is the wire. How many types of routers are there? Wired router and the wireless router and core router and edge router and virtual router. The wire router connecting the devices using physical cable Ethernet. It is provides stable and fast connection, especially suitable for devices to need realizing the networking performance. The wireless router use the Wi-Fi connectivity devices wireless offer mobility and convection ideal home and small office network of including wired Ethernet ports and connecting devices via cable as well. The core router. This core router handling the high-speed data traffic within the internet backbone. It is used in internet service provider ISPs, large networking operating. What is the basic router? What are the router portion? The router is the device connecting two more pocket switching networking subnet is to two preliminary functions making edge typical between the networking forward packets to the different networks IP address and allowing the multiple devices use the same internet connections. Why do you need router in this? The router helps to you connect multiple devices to the internet and connecting to the device to each one. Also, you can use router to create local networking or devices. The local networking useful to want to share files among devices, allowing to employees to share software and tools and many other data also. Please subscribe my VGR tutorial channel. Please like, please share, please comment, please ask networking related questions. Your VGR tutorials. A large number of commands are available in Cisco router as well as many different protocols features can also be used to establish networking. This iOS software can be confusing and the intimidating and someone's new Cisco routers will familiarize to someone basic routers command that commonly used well as some typical routers managing tasks. Image version is ROM version. It is the Cisco iOS software. Software has many different versions are there. Cisco iOS software each just support variety of features. The router uptime can be checked. Make sure that router has been continuous operating since it was last restarted. The uptime is inconsistent with the last no router maintenance. The router may have restored because problems with the electrical circuits. It is connected to the because problem with router itself. The interface hardware inventory should be including all interface process installing to router. If any interface that install router do not show up the invitation. This memory is the interface process used for this router buffering pockets and the name of suggested all the interface process in the router share memory and the performance problem can result there not enough. The main memory used to store running the configuration all routing tables extremely large network. It is possible to routing tables get large. They exceed the main memory capacity. The interface is the command Patrice Labs in the commonly sample output from the show interface. The cycle reduce check CRC. The interface line protocols, the interface related physical status interface, the first part output. The serial axis up to linear protocol of the remembrance that output is means corresponding to the serial interface output showing above. The state indicates the cable interface problem. The remote indicate and may be administratively shut down. A situation that could be causes both ends to go down to to bring the interface up to use the no form the shutdown command under the interface configuration. This state of indicate that loop exited circuit. This problem could be associated with the exiting loopback interface. Output drop the appearance output the show interface serial commands that system attempts and the pocket transmission buffer no buffer are available. The TCP IP is the right view have animated input drops. The serial X command is when many pockets from that interface are still being processing them system. Input errors, the interface reset, carrier transformation of the output show logging. The command display the state of show log errors and event logging including host address and whether console logging enabled. The slow logging is enabled and console logging disabled. Monitor logging level debugging 266 message logged. The level information 266 message logged to the 192.182 2.2.8 simple mail transfer protocol disabled to transmission after 30 seconds. These are the problems: field description, system login, and Unix. The Cisco recovery protocols, router update, system restart. The Cisco router protocol is media support subnet mask access protocol, simple network apps, SNAP, LAN, frame relay, ATM media, and data link layer, networking layer, and messages, multicasting address, simple mail transfer messages, hold time. The basic Cisco iOS commands is the specify frequency transmission Cisco discovery protocol updates, and the command is the CDP timer seconds. The specify amount of this receiving device should be hold the information sent to your devices before starting. CDP is the hold time seconds. The task is the disable Cisco discovery protocol command and no CDP run. The enable Cisco device discovery protocol CDP run. The task disable Cisco discovery protocol on a interface no CDP enable. The enable Cisco discovery protocol on the interface is CDP enable. Task of command reset the traffic counters to zeros, clear CDP counter, delete the Cisco discovery protocol table of information about neighbors, clear CDP table, display global information such as the frequency of transmissions and the hold time pocket beginning transmission, show CDP. Display information about specified neighbors display can be limited protocols version information. Shows CDP enter the name of protocol version. Display information about the interface on which is the discovery photo. Show CDP interface type numbers. Display information about neighbors of the display can be limited neighbors as the specified interface and expanded provided. To the more details information show CDP neighbors type numbers of details. Discovery display Cisco discovery protocol counter including the number of packets in the sent and receive and check some errors. The show CDP traffic. Display the information about the types of debugging or the enable for your router show debugging. These all our commands are useful. The basic troubleshooting. Please subscribe.